We on. Chill. Scale. Let's go. Let's go. Domingo. Let's go. Take. Let's go. Set. Let's roll. Hey. Straightening. Yeah. Straightening. Yeah. Don't not get strained but straightening. Don't not get strained but straightening. Don't not get strained but straightening. You don't get shit straight, you don't straighten it. In this game, sit back, be patient. Niggas act like the game went vacant. Niggas act like some been taken. What? Ain't nothing but a little bit of straightening. I'm telling you, been kicking shit popping out daily. On the island, it's a movie on me.
Oh my god, give me that backdrop. It's like house mom confessions. I'll do confessionals. Day 3, it's my birthday. These bitches got me a birthday party for my motherfucking birthday with nobody here. That's why I love it. I love it. Nobody's here but me. It's about me. Me.
Straightening. Yeah. Straightening. Yeah. Don't not get strained but straightening. Don't not get strained but straightening. Don't not get strained but straightening. You don't get shit straight, you don't straighten it.
Happy birthday, Tati, to many, 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 many more.
Straightening. Yeah. Straightening. Yeah. Don't not get strained but straightening. Don't not get strained but straightening. Don't not get strained but straightening. You don't get shit straight, you don't straighten it.
Wait, why he going so fast though? I'm going to clock out. All right. He's literally fighting for his life. Right. Yeah, look at something like this. That's the move. That's the move. And it's me from Cash, not from YouTube. Not from YouTube.
Apple cider.
Apple cider. Whatever comes in the dome. Whatever.
He got it.
The word.
Right here. He got apple cider. That's
apple.
No, apple cider.
Apple. Cider. The word is apple.
Okay.
Apple.
Apple. Big city, they call it Big
Apple.
Apple. Yeah. I got phone that's Apple.
Apple. Hold on. Keep going. Hold on.
Come on.
Get a shot.
He said, wait, 'cause I want
I'm 18. I respect it, my brother. Get home safe, bro. Enjoy your night, bro.
You're so silly.
Yeah, you want some. I should do it.
So I want the fried rice. My nail broke again, y'all. You want dumplings?
So we have Rockstar Chicken in the back for some eats. We got Bel Air providing the drinks. We have Black Lab in the back making sure that your nails is right. Just, you know, we taking care of everything today. You know what I mean? We taking care of everything. So I am super excited. We're going to start our panel in a little bit. But do me a favor, grab a drink, grab some food, and we're going to get right to it. Oh, my fault. I don't, you know, y'all know who I am. You understand? Now, my name is Queen Telemac. I am so elated for us to be here this evening. Owner and operator of Watch Her Network. You already know how it go. We put it up, you know what I'm saying? But nah, I am super happy this evening to be your host. We gonna get right. We gonna make sure that everything is square, sounds. We tapped in. I personally love when we do these, right? Because it's a personal mission of mine for me to ensure that we're pouring back into the individuals that pour into us. Okay, can I get an amen on that one? That's what I thought.
Next up, we have Aisha Alicia from Forbes BLK. The community manager making sure that we stay on the map with Forbes BLK. Next up, we have Drea over at SoundCloud as the artist relationship manager. You may have seen her on a couple of shows. You may have seen her in the Pink Room with your favorite artists. It gives the energy. And last but not least, we have the lovely Alicia, founder and CEO of the Code NYC.
See, I forgot how to vlog already, y'all. Come on. Yeah, what the is going on? I decided to do a little mukbang because I be dropping videos and I don't really be talking to y'all. I don't really be telling y'all what's what I got going on. So I figured I'd do a little quick sit down because I don't want to bore y'all with my talking. But we got that Chinese food from the city, y'all. It don't hit like the town, but it's gonna do. And I got my boop with a boop and a boop. Purr. Nah, y'all. So really quickly, let me just get into this. Thank y'all for all the love and support, and on the reels, like y'all really be showing out. Y'all really be showing y'all girl love for real. So thank y'all for that. And I just wanted to like kind of like talk to y'all real quick and tell y'all like a little bit about myself and like what I got going on and what do I do on the regular, so y'all know what y'all watching and y'all not just like, girl, like what is going on? 1 minute you on vacation, next minute you want to set up a photo shoot, the next minute you in LA for a shoot. Like what the fuck is going on? Time out, look at the lunch. Period, don't play with her. So yeah, I just wanted to kind of like talk to y'all. Your girl, hold on, cause this is fucking up. This is not going good. Nah, but I was thinking, I was really interrupted that in the vlog you're gonna see a little bit of the On the Radar event, a little bit of BTS on the day we recorded the freestyles. Yeah, you're gonna see some On the Radar, you're gonna see Tati's birthday, you're gonna see a whole bunch of stuff. And it's really like a compilation of my life right now. So tune in, y'all. Tune into some dope stuff. Your girl's a project coordinator, so watch me work. You know, if you want to hire me to make your campaign come alive, hire your girl for the right amount. I got the team and we will get it done. Stay tuned.
Yo, first and foremost, thank you all for coming out. I appreciate every single one of you. Shout out my Paper Planes family. Shout out the whole staff at the store for holding it down. I really like this. Has been beautiful. It's been beautiful to see the city come out. And since everybody's recording, On the Radar Country next week.
Okay. I don't even know how to start this. I feel like I forgot how to vlog for real. Yeah. Just turning into a little unboxing. I got some goodies. I got 1, 2, 3 packages and just a goodie bag from a Bel Air event that I went to. Actually, I'm gonna start with this. So I got invited to this Bel Air Women's History Month event that was so cool. It was like a little panel. It was dope. So what's in my gift bag? This bag is a Bel Air on front and back. Cute. Now, what's a Bel Air gift bag without the Bel Air bottle? Come on. Bel Air bottle. I got some like hair products. I got a plain carabiner. It's like the keychain. And then I got lip glosses. I'm not gonna lie, all these lip glosses are like the lip glosses that like the kids play with. So I might give these to my little cousin because these sparkles and stuff look a little crazy. There's more, so yeah. And that's my Bel Air gift bag. Thank you, Bel Air. Can't wait to drink my Bel Air. Might pop it tonight. Shout out to Fenty. I get one of these boxes, I would say every month, but at this point, it's like every 2 weeks. And I'm great. I'm not complaining. This time, usually it's like makeup, but this time we got some fancy skin. We got the cookies and cream, whipped clay intensified, Cobra and Blackhead face scrub. Now we have the same thing. This is the cookies and cream detox face mask. So I guess you do the scrub and then the mask, or the other way around, something like that. And then the fat water. I love the fat water. This is like a toner for like even skin tones. So that's my face products from Fenty. Okay. Next, we have a Dapper Dan package. You see that? It's upside down, but you get the vibes. And already the first thing on top is this tote, the hat. I got a Dapper Dan package, I think like a month or so ago, and I had a tote bag, which I actually really love. So now I have another one. Love. A little bandana that says like condom. It's like a scarf, a G, sunglasses, real cute. Like fanny pack. Oh, this is actually really cute. This is really cute. That fits in. Bucket hat. Shirt. I'm trying to finish that team. I got some sweatpants. This actually is really cute with this little blind. These are really cute, and in the pocket is like this though. Fire. Those are actually great. Yes. And then just hoodies that says that Harlem. Cause you know, instead of it saying Gap, it says Gap. So I got 2 of those. And this one is kind of like colored. So that's the Dapper Dan package. Thank you. So happy. And then her last one is this big old box. Oh. Hold on, yeah. Oh, I can't even lift it. It's so heavy. Thumbnail. The pack came in. First of all, this box is so soft. It feels so good. Let's start this.
Guys, this shit is so heavy. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's so heavy. I might have to keep this PR box forever. Oh my god, this is so lit. Yeah, I don't even know if I could show y'all because it's so heavy. I can't keep picking this up. Look at. Nah, I have to show y'all. That is beautiful. Nah, the freaking. I love how the label is like engraved in the packaging. It's the little details like that for me, for real. For real. And then it came with this like little book. Let's open up the book. Let's see, is the book educating us on hair care or what? What is it giving? Let's see. Oh, it's not a book, it's prints. It's like 35 prints. my girl. Oh wow. Oh wow. This is art, I'm not gonna lie. Wow. That is so fire. I guess it tells you like the ingredients and everything, and like the formula, cruelty free, and then these are all the ingredients that they use. Wow, this is so tough. Look at that. Yeah, stop playing. Why they did their product shots as prints though? That's pretty fire. And it's, every product has its own print, and then it's like a print. What? 10 out of 10. I can't really tell you if the product is 10 out of 10, but I will tell you that this packaging is giving, baby. And I love how the girls are wearing the Cecred jewelry. Look at her chain. That is tough. And look at her chain. That is tough. The packaging is it for me. So, 10 out of 10. Highly recommend. Copy yours. It may not come like this, but you know what I'm saying. Just tap. I'm really looking for. This is fire. And the paper feels like so nice. It's not like regular 11 by 8 or 8 by 11 paper. Like this is some good quality paper, baby. Okay, guys, thanks for coming to my unboxing. Now I'm gonna go wash my hair so I could see what the products is hitting for, so I could really give y'all a real full review. That was just a review on the packaging, baby. Baby. Okay.
We have no overdraft fees. Is it even a decision? That's Kvng reimagined. Big day.
This is the Cecred conditioner. Doing what it do. In 25 seconds, I'm about to wash this out and we're gonna see what's on. Okay, so this is my hair. After I washed out the conditioner and I put the hair lotion. So now I'm about to blow dry it out and let's see what it's giving. I have no curl pattern, so don't judge me, judge my period. Y'all need to come here, live here. It's expensive as fuck, but it's worth it. It's so many hidden gems. Look at this, another secret room, coat closet, art studio. The CEO, the founder. Yes, the one and only. Let me see your fit. Let me see the bag. Ooh-hoo. Designed by yours truly.
A little minimalistic face.
Yes. Yes. Daphne, come shop. Yes. So cute.
I hope you all had a chance to, create or work on paper in the atelier. And now here we are in Eliza Hamilton's parlor. So welcome. Welcome to the space. And I have great thanks for you here tonight to perform. So I hope you come back often and see the artists who I have on display. They're always my friends, and I love their work, and that's what's most important. And enjoy.
out tonight. Oh, period.
I love my job sometimes. Sometimes. Yep. Birthday. Say hi to my vlog, Bara.
Yeah.
Go ahead, Mama.
Welcome. Hello. So you're buying? I'm not buying for like gifting. Purchase like this.
What are we looking at?
We're looking at spring summer 2024. Off white. No pure whites. Very much just off white. Baseball jerseys. I think the hero piece of the season. That's what he's playing out with everything. The baseball jerseys, the cargo sweats, the beach hoodies, the trunks, the leather shorts. Yeah, whiskey.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Oh my.
Give it Rick.
Some Ricky. Oh my god.
These colors are not fit, though. Yeah, I think, yeah.
What? Now we're going into the women.
Yeah.
Oh, this.
The crop shirts, the mini skirts. My favorite pants for women. Yeah. That's my favorite pant. I swear to God.
Most definitely.
And then it has a matching crop shirt for it. This is hard. Yeah.
Nah, I need that.
Yeah.
What I need.
Mm-hmm. So we did well for the first women's collection.
Sick.
Too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that jack. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, we really in the heart of Soho. Look how peaceful this space is. And then look. Look outside. Cheers.
Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay, I'm feeling too sexy to accept requests. And I'm way too sexy to go unprotected. And she popped a Tesla, now she gonna let you.
Not the ice cup.
The ice cup for the
Body. Yo. We acting like it's summer out here. It's mad cold. We got the thotties. That's actually mad funny. Do y'all still drink thotties? Cause thotties is it. Don't sleep on the thotties, y'all.
real question.
I ain't gonna put. Okay. Do y'all still drink thotties in Taylorport? I don't drink Taylorport. I never had that.
Did you see the video I sent you?
Yes.
Yeah, look. Chef's good.
That drink do look good though. I'm not gonna lie. But
Shout out to Taylorport.
yeah, it's Friday. Everybody outside. All the bars is packed. So we making our own party. Okay, with our little thotty. Have a good Friday. Let's say we're gonna go green. We're gonna start with green.
So I see yellow, purple, blue.
Here.
We're doing green.
Mm-hmm.
So how many drops?
I'm scared.
2 to 3 drops.
That's it. That's it. That's it. Put it right here.
2 to 3 drops.
Put it right here. We're following each direction exactly how it's supposed to be. This is some new shit. Cause I used to just put the little drop in the water and we used to just dye the eggs. Now this is some new shit. This is some shake in the bag eggs, but I see the vision.
Alright, that's fine. Okay, think we got too sexy for that metro housing. Diamond popped out, almost swallowed 60,000 pieces. Section need more things in here. I like it crowded. Like, whoa, whoa. Yeah, I like it crowded. Oh, you like the boy? Well, tell me what you like about him. You a turned a little thotty, ain't no wife about it. I'ma fuck her friends and send them back to metro housing. Yeah.